Good morning, YouTube fam. Today I was going through my phone and I actually got a notice of package delivery. So today what we're going to be doing is going to be opening up that package and installing that part on the Evo. It's something small, but it's something so crucial on my front bumper because I feel like every Evo needs this because the bumpers always tend to sag because they're heavy bumpers. Let's go ahead and look at what I got. Alright, so let me show you guys what I got. This is the package here. Just rip it. So this is what they are here. If the camera would focus. There we go, there's a little glare on it, but this is it here. These are the bumper quick release fasteners. I think these look super sick. They're just not the rubber band ones and they don't look all chafa. They actually look pretty legit. They're basically just a fastener with this rod at the end of it. And how you take it off is you push the button in here and then this releases it, and it's like a little ball joint thing here. And all you have to do is, like, say this is on the bumper already, you mount this on the car and you just have it somewhere sturdy with these nuts it comes with here. And all you do is basically just snap it on a bam, and the bumper would stay on. Pretty sick. Got the race car chilling right here. My brother's been working on it. How was that, Chris?
That was crazy.
Alright, enough with doing a burnout with my brother's car. My first time, by the way. It wasn't that great, but now let's bring this bad boy in.
Plug up. Plug. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick 'em.
Basically just pull on it and it comes off already. And this is where we're gonna mount some of the brackets. I'm hoping it's gonna be easy. Well, we'll see right now how it's gonna be. Alright guys, so now that I drilled it out, I'm just gonna fit this through there and adjust it to enough where this sticks out enough to hit this here and to clip on that. I don't know how far in it needs to be, but it's actually looking really good on here. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be like a keeper right here. Just have to tighten the back part, and I think it's gonna be solid. Barely gonna have enough room though. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go with this route here. I'm hoping that this right here is big enough for that quick disconnect to fit right here, and it's not gonna stick out. From the back too, it's solid. From the front, right here, nice and solid. That's good. I'm gonna probably put some toothpaste on it and see where I need a drill, because I want it to be basically like right there. Let's see if I mess up my bumper or not, and if I drill in the wrong area. I did it, guys. I just drilled through my damn bumper. I made a little hole just in case. From here it looks way off, but what I want to do is basically stretch it on there. Well, guys, I just drilled in the wrong hole. I miscalculated and I put a hole where I wasn't supposed to. Alright, so the third time should be the charm. Now that I got 3 holes in my bumper, I wasn't too worried because I know this is a pretty wide surface here, as you can see if it focuses. That this is basically going to cover up the holes. I know on the other side I'm not going to keep drilling like that, but basically I knew I had that comfort room, but it still might show a little hole. Now this is the scary part where I'm going to be using this fat drill bit, because this is the size of this basically, and now I'm kind of scared because once I drill with this I cannot go back. Yeah, so now this is the scary part. I kind of don't really want to do it this way because there's no way to self-center it. The only way of self-centering it would be just to basically just put this in the middle and use it like that. Here goes nothing, huh? That went through really easy. Did not want it to go down like that, but man, that scared the hell out of me that I drilled a big hole in my bumper now. And now let's see if I truly messed up the Evo. Oh, that is perfect. I just need to adjust it a little bit more. Oh, guys, I didn't mess it up. I did not mess up the Evo. I just need to adjust it more so it could sink in a little more. Oh, man. Look at that. Got rid of my bumper gap. Oh, I'm so happy. My lips still chipped and stuff, but oh, I didn't mess up the Evo. Alright, you guys don't know how excited I am because I literally thought I messed up the Evo. You saw how many holes I had to drill and it pretty much came out really good. Let me show you guys. Look at it, check that out. There's still some of the plastics everywhere, but check it out. It looks really good to me and basically just came out really, really good. Now all you have to do when you take off the bumper is push this button in and it comes out. And that's where I mounted it if you guys wanted to know. On here, like I showed you guys earlier. And I'm going to demonstrate you putting it on. And that's it. And you just push that in. Oh yeah, it's good. And look at it, check this out. I got rid of the bumper gap too right here. The famous evil bumper gap is gone. Let's go ahead and work on the opposite side. Alright, so the Evo is all finished up here and it looks freaking amazing. It's all fitted nice and clean. Nothing to worry about no more. So happy how it came out. Didn't mess up the Evo, no extra holes or anything.
That's Chris built for the
Also,
win.
check this out here. There's no more bumper gap like every other Evo has. But still, no bumper gap and it looks freaking amazing.
You did it.
All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned some things on to do to your Evo. Peace out, you guys. You guys have a good one.
Y'all some plain niggas, we insane, nigga. All I see is signs in the fucking crowd. I run all my homies, who gon' stop us now?